The is the twin of th, but has a sound more similar to the letter D. The is created by placing your tongue between your teeth, but do not let the air escape. When you activate your vocal cords, the vibration comes through your teeth and it tingles your tongue. When we activate our vocal cords, the vibration travels through our jaw to our teeth. So when we say the, there's a vibration. The, the, the. And you can feel the vibration on your tongue due to your teeth. The, the. The difference between the letters the and th is activating your voice. Example, the, tha. The, the, the. Tha, tha, tha. The, tha. Same position, same situation, just with one, you vibrate the cords and you don't let the air out. In the second one, you don't vibrate your vocal cords and you do let some cold air out straight. Tha. And between da and the difference is the position of the tongue. Let's practice. Da, da. De, they. They sound very similar, and in many languages, they are the same sound, but in English, we do separate them. So the letter D, da, is different from the letter D, da. So, da, de, they. If you have any questions about the letter D, go to our interactive index and review that chapter. Return here afterwards. A common mistake is mixing T with the. Example, mother. Incorrect, mater. Correct, mother. Whoopsie! Don't stick out your tongue too much. Use your index finger to measure the correct distance. Sometimes students do too much. Mother, mother. Not necessary. Just mother, mother. The used in a sentence. They like breathing together. All done. Now go practice.